Hi, this is Ken from Edwards Garage in Rocky Mountain House calling. We've got this 2017 Buick Enclave here. This was a one-owner unit. We actually sold brand new here. They've actually have extended warranty on this till December of 2022 or 160,000 kilometers. Right now it's got just under 52,000 kilometers on it, so it's still got lots of warranty on it. Does have a clean car proof on it as well. Couple things. The previous owners also did the 3M on the hood and the fenders, so it's all been 3M'd on the front. So it's got 19-inch aluminum wheels. It's got the nice rims on it as well. The built-in signal lights in the mirrors as well. And coming around to the back here, it has the rear park assist sensors, and it's also got the backup camera on it. Maybe we'll pop open the back here real quick and have a quick look inside. So it's got the automatic door release. It's also got the command start on it. So we're at the back of the vehicle. So like I say, this is a 7-passenger. So it's got the 2 buckets at the front, 2 buckets in the middle, and then the 3-passenger bench seat at the back. Now this does fold down, and it is a 60-40 split. So to give you a little bit more storage room. And like I say, it does give you a nice flat floor if you're towing or hauling people or stuff. So that extends right up to the back of the seat there. There is a little bit of storage underneath this floor as well. So if you have stuff in there, you don't have to worry about rolling around and whatnot. There is a power port in the back as well. And then there is some tie down points if you want to tie down anything that you have a little bit heavier, you don't want it sliding around. This here also has a power hatch on it, which will close the door. Okay, so here we are inside this, say 2017 Buick Enclave. A few things on it, just starting on the door here. It does have the memory seats on it, power mirrors, your 4 power window switches, and then it's got your child lockout for the windows, your power door locks. Moving up, just looking at the outside mirror, you see it has the side blind zone alert on it as well. Coming over to the steering wheel, it's got the cruise control with your heated steering wheel, which is a nice feature in the winter around here. All your radio controls are over here, wiper controls, and you've got your information center here. So it's got your AM, FM, XM as well, Bluetooth for your phone, all that good stuff on it as well. It's got the automatic air conditioning, heated seats for driver's side and the front passenger side, rear wiper control, traction control, your power door lock. It's got a USB plug-in, so you can plug in your phone or put in a USB disk drive for your music. Has OnStar as well, programmable garage door opener. Also has the sunroof along with the moonroof in the second row seats as well. Typical with the Buick, it's got the little digital clock on it, analog clock I should say. A little bit more storage up on the dash as well. A little bit of storage in the console in here as well. Then also talking about it, it's got your lane departure warning. So there's actually a camera above there behind the rear view mirror that watches you going down the highway. As long as it sees the lines, if you start crossing one of the lines without signaling, it'll actually give you a warning signal. Then it's also got the forward collision alert, which is using the same camera. So when you're coming up on a vehicle too fast and it thinks you're going to run into the back of them, it'll actually give you a warning as well. So like I say, that is on this vehicle as well. So in the middle row seats here, a few things. It's got heater controls for the rear seat occupants. It's also got 2 charge points for USB. These seats here, it's got the bucket seats. So you got nice seats. These actually fold down flat to give you a flat load storage. They will also pancake forward a little bit, so depending on how much leg room you want. And then if you want to actually open them up to get into the back, they fold forward to give you a little bit extra room in the back. As I mentioned before, it does have the moonroof in it as well, so it gives a little bit more light inside the middle row occupant seating. Okay, so that kind of concludes our walk around of this 2017 Buick Enclave all-wheel drive. Like I say, it was a one-owner vehicle. It still has extended warranty for December 2022 or 160,000 kilometers. If you have any questions about it or you'd like to take it for a drive, please give us a call here at Edwards, and someone would be more than happy to give you more information or take you for a test drive.